Hello everyone. So today we had Nifty monthly expiry and it was very volatile. So let's explain or let's see what data points I used and how I predicted everything and how I said that finally like Nifty will be going up. So if
All
you
the
would have
proofs
looked at
and
this tweet, so I made this tweet at 2:14 p.m. Okay, and after that, if you look at the chart, so 2:14 was here, and then after that Nifty rallied up. Okay, so how I said this, so let's go deeper into the data points and see what helped me to predict the market. And moreover, again here also when I
I'm going
gave
to
the
show you how I did.
options, so if you would have noticed that I did not ever say that Nifty would be closing below. I always said Nifty would be closing above and the spike. So the whatever the data points were suggesting, I only put I gave those options. Okay, so I never said like 26,000 below. It will close below 26,000 or not. While everyone was posting that put buyers are present. Okay, and Nifty will be going down. So the very first point is that if premiums on the put side go up, it doesn't mean that put buyers are present. So I made this video on 5 days ago. So there I explained with an example that the last week Bank Nifty also the same thing happened, but Bank Nifty finally did not fall. So I had to make changes in my code accordingly, and especially I said that not the call premiums, especially the put premiums, if they are increasing, it doesn't mean that put buyers are present. Okay, so now people will say that yes, it spiked down and whatever, and but try to understand that like those spikes were just nothing but stop loss hunting. They even those spikes lasted for like hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, I think 1 minute. So now you know that like these were not actual moves, these were just stop loss hunting. So put buyers were not present, like finally it went up. So now let me explain one by one why finally it went up. The very first thing is that today, in the option chain, I saw that the put writers were present. So 150 PE put writers were present. Yeah, I also mentioned it somewhere here. So uh, yeah, 150 put riders were present. So that is the first reason. Okay, and so I was expecting like Nifty to close above 26,150. Okay, and then coming down to the second reason, that is call premiums were like not even coming down. So like not even coming down, what do I mean by that? So the what I mean by that is
Did
like
it.
when these
So
spikes
talking
came.
about four.
Okay, so when these spikes came, so okay, let's go to the charts and see. So the very first spike, okay, came here. So now try to understand 310 this spike came. Okay, now let's look at the call side 2650. Okay, 1310, sorry, 1310, the spike, the first spike came. Okay, so 1310, you see. Okay, the premium only decreased from like let's say 103 to 91. Okay, so hardly like not even 15 points. Okay, so there was a signal that is like the even though the spikes are coming, if the premiums on the call side are not decreasing, so the spikes might not last. Okay, and then finally we saw that yes, it was a fake up move, and sorry, it was a fake down move, and then after that like I was prepared for like the other spikes because I knew that those spikes will also be, if they come, those will also be fake. Okay, so let's go one by one. So that is how you understand that what is actually happening, because um, we analyzed also in the EOD, that is the big guys like FIIs, they were carrying call buying, the put buying also they were carrying, but I said that the put buying is especially for the hedging of the call sorry, futures long positions. Okay, so I repeatedly mentioned that in my analysis for the past few days. So they were carrying majorly the call buying. Okay, the call buying did not make any sense because what was the extra call buying for the hedging of the future short, but they almost had no future short. Okay, so that's the point, like call buyers were there, and so now in the morning, like as we analyzed, so 26,050, 26,100 also, like put riders were there, so I felt safer that like 6,000 would be safer to short. We shorted and also bought some calls and closed it again, and also did some scalping, and for the scalping also the levels worked out perfectly. So here that is 26,050 or 49 almost. So here it worked out perfectly. Like once it gave a breakout, so it also like gave support throughout the day as well. So anyways, like the levels also worked out, and then after that, like coming down to money flow, 11 so yeah, the third point is money flow. So money flow, if you look at here, that is in the morning it was positive, telling us that the big guys have made long positions. So and after that, like it came to the neutral zone, again spiked up, again came to the neutral zone, spiked up, okay. So here that is 1142 also it spiked up, and I posted it here as well. And now even after that, just look at the chart. So yeah, so 1142. So yeah, so here 1135 to 1140. So this candle, okay, after this also the Nifty moved up. So also like for the X followers also, I posted it here. So if you come and see here, I posted the previous spike here. Okay, so
June Nifty fell by
AI money flow score as of now. Look at the time; it was positive. It's like it jumped up. See 0 to 20, and then it was positive. So 10:07. So 10:07. After that also, like let's look at the charts. So yeah. So this is where 10:0. Yeah. So this is 10 to 10:05. And this is where, so just go into the 1 minute chart and see like after 10:07 it went up. So after that, like yeah, let me show you on 1 minute chart. So yeah, so look at here, that is 10:06, 10:07. So this was the candle, okay. So 10:07 I posted, 10:08, 10:09 the spike, okay. So that's why, like on 5 minutes you wouldn't understand, like you would say that after the move I posted. So anyways, yeah. So yes, if you like my analysis, this one, then finally love. I mean, this was I hope this was
more than
the
1400 points.
final like blow. That is I mean the final up move was like predicted. So I mean way before the up move. So if my analysis did help you, so to encourage me, don't forget to put a like and see, this is Nifty monthly expiry. Market was so volatile, and during that volatility, predicting the market and posting it publicly takes some courage. So I hope you understand
BankNifty
that,
fell by more,
and I hope you will like it. So anyways, continuing with my points, money flow helped, and then after that, like money flow went also negative, but at that point, like I clearly mentioned in the group that come here. So I mentioned that like those were fake SL hunting, and so take the advantage of it. So the very first SL hunting, I did not take the advantage. I mean I did not take the advantage, means I took the advantage by closing my writing. Okay, so here my SL was hit. That is shorted at 42 and shorted at 50 as well. And so here coming to shorted at 52 as well. So then after that, like it went down to 22. So when it went down to 22, I just put an SL in my profit at 30, and it went up, it hit, but I clearly mentioned that I am not putting any SL on my hedging position. That is the position I bought, okay. So 25,900p at 17 in the morning, and then after that I bought it at 22 as well. So anyways, the point is that the hedging position then spiked up. I clearly mentioned that if the spike, I mean I was expecting a spike, so if the spike doesn't come, then we will again short, okay, and eat premium, so no problem. So I was waiting for the spike, and yes, the very spike came, and 1311 closed it at 35. Like the hedging position also closed it at 2x. So overall the writing position and the hedging positions were both closed, okay. So that was the advantage we took at the first spike. And then after that, as I like saw that come here, so look at the spike 1310, okay. Now go and check 1310 call premiums, they did not decrease, okay. So I knew that these were like fake. Now the point is that after that I shorted, okay. after that again I shorted P, and yeah, shorted P here at 33, and then after that, like I also said that if the price moves up, I will again short. Okay, so I was expecting that it might move up again. So why? Because like you see that no one ever knows, like on Nifty day only one spike came, so no one ever knows that one will come or two will come or three will come. Okay, so that's the point. So nothing you can do about this, but yes, I was prepared that yes, if price moves up, I will short it, because they were nothing but fake SL hunting. Okay, I clearly mentioned that as well. So here these are all just SL huntings. Ultimately Nifty will move up. Okay, I posted that in the members group at 1351, though I posted on X at 214, as you can see, and go and see. But yes, I mean I mentioned it in the members group way earlier. And now talking about that, after that, like finally also bought some calls, and though I closed it early, but I was able to eat the almost the whole premium on 26K. Okay, so yes, overall it was good, but the points being here is that the in the money call writers, in the money put writers, the call buyers, because call premiums were not decreasing even with these spikes. Okay, and the other points being here was that money flow was the other point, and like yesterday's analysis was also another point. And so while everyone was expecting that we will be moving down, but there I mentioned that we will be moving up, because everyone expected that like put prices are going up and so we will go down, but that's not the case. Okay, so that finally you saw that that's not the case. That happened. So so if you have missed this video, so just go and check it out. I mentioned that there as well. So anyways, now talking about the SL hunting. Okay, so now many would say that with these spikes our SL is getting hunted. So see, if you want to avoid these, then avoid it. Okay, so like in the morning we captured, we shorted at 26K, we shorted at 50 and as well as 52 as well as 42. So the average is coming at around 47. So from 47 the premium went to 22. Okay, so I mean you are eating almost how much 25 points. So 25 points you are eating. Okay, so then after that, why do you need to take the risk if you don't want to? Okay, so that's the point. That is like if you are a weak hearted player, so the last moment trading is not for you, so you should avoid it. And so these type of trades have to be traded with no SL. Okay, yes, I mean if suppose by any chance like this spikes up, like let's say that this spiked up to 78. Okay, so the major point is that you had to only survive for 1 or 2 minutes hardly. Okay, so even let's go into the 1 minute chart and see how many like for how long you had to survive. So it was just 1 minute. So that's what I'm saying, that these 1 minute spikes you have to survive. So finally if you see that it has blown up to 100, 110, yeah, you manually close it. Okay, nothing could be done. Like this is the new way, new style, whatever you say, you have to trade. If you put a stop loss, it's going to hit you. Okay, so that's for sure. Like 70 to 80% of the time it will surely hit. So the thing is that you have to sit and you have to like manually like do it. So suppose for example, like if it happened that this spike up, it spiked up and then finally it blew up to 110. So I would like, let's say I would have closed it there. Okay, so I had to close it manually there. But the point being here is that then there is a high chance that move will continue, and there is my hedging position. So sometimes I have also said that take some more hedges. Okay, so suppose you have like shorted 1,000 quantities, so take some more hedges, let's say 50 more, like 1,050. Okay, so or maybe 100 more quantities, so 1,100 quantities, or just go a little far out of the money and at small premiums take some hedges. So those hedges will I mean save you. Okay, so that is the new way, that is the new style that you have to follow. Otherwise, I mean, if you want to trade these type of things, otherwise, like, you can easily avoid them. Take the move when you are very sure, and get out of the market. Okay, so don't get in when spikes are coming or something. And also, like, when this up move finally was coming, then what you could have done is, like, it went above, when it is above 26,100, so just go and short 26k. Okay, so, and if it comes below 26 90, then you close your short. So with the help of the levels also you can trade, but that's the thing. And also, like, notice the premium. So notice the call premiums. If the call premiums are not dropping, okay, so there is a high chance that Nifty is, or the index is not going to come down finally. Okay, so there's a high chance. Again, I'm saying that it has happened in the past also. That is, even in this scenario also, the call premiums, like, totally went down to zero. Okay, but it happened very rarely. So I mean, out of, let's say, 10 times, at least 8 to 9 times, you will see that the index won't come down. Like, it happened for the past few days, many days for this month. Okay, so but yes, 1 or 2 days it might happen, but there you will be getting the signal beforehand, so you can prepare yourself accordingly. Like, we got the signal of the spike coming down beforehand. Okay, so that's the thing. Like, and then after that, this spike also, like, we did not no, but money flow was negative, so there was a chance, and we took the advantage of it. Okay, when the spike came, we bought calls and shorted puts. So not, sorry, I did not short puts here, I shorted puts here in this spike. So this spike came, I bought calls. Okay, and yes, though I closed it early, but that's how you take the advantage of it. That is, if the call prices are not dropping, take the advantage of it. Okay, so I mean, yeah, so those are the points. And yeah, the levels also, as discussed yesterday, I even mentioned 26,000 would be the ultimate level for today. And I mean, market gave support there and it went up. So I hope my analysis of yesterday helped you all, and today's live analysis also helped you all. So if it did, so don't forget to put a like and encourage me to further post such analysis. And again, if you want to be a member, and if you want such dedicated analysis during the live market hours, you can be a member. And don't forget to take, in that case, don't forget to take the help of the coupon code in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.